Hello everyone! It's your friendly neighborhood librarian, Eleni. Today I want to talk to you about placing a book on hold. How do you do that? Basically, these are the steps that you'll take if you want to reserve a book for yourself before you're able to make it to the Staten Learning Commons. That way, it'll be there waiting for you when you're ready. So the first step to take is to go to the library website at library.juniata.edu. Let's say you're taking a British literature course, and one of the required readings is Wuthering Heights by Emily Bronte. You'll just type the title into the library catalog and hit enter. From here, you'll see all the search results that are provided through the catalog. So it looks like the first two results I see are ebooks. Well, let's say you specifically want a print book. You can go to the left-hand side over here and click on Print Book. And now we see that it is available on the Staten Learning Commons in the stacks, right? So all you have to do next is click on the title. And on the right-hand side of the page, you'll see access options, and below that there's a button you can click to place a hold. Once you click on that button, you'll be prompted to sign into your Juniata College account. So use your Juniata College username and password to log in. And from here, you may get the Authenticator app. And once you get through that process, you'll see the title that you want, Emily Bronte, print book. I want to pick up at Juniata College, specifically the Staten Learning Commons, and then all you have to do is click Submit. Have more questions? Visit us at the info desk or reach out via LibChat or email. Thanks for watching.